How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can paint support and support blockers in Bambu Studio. Basically, we are inside our plate and I'm going to be demonstrating the tutorial on this specific model. To proceed, you then want to click on the support function and inside enable support. From here, you then want to select two options, which is going to be the normal manual or tree manual. In my case, I'm going to be selecting tree manual because it provides better results. From here, to get started, click on your model and then you want to select this specific icon, which is going to be the supports painting or the L button on your keyboard. Now, basically, we have two functionalities, which is going to be the left click and the right click. Now, we also have another tools that we can use when painting the supports. Basically, if you press left click, it will then apply this blue paint onto the model itself, which means that you are successfully applying supports into this specific area. So in my case, I'm going to be applying to the tail, to the wing section, and finally at the top of the head. Now, if you want to apply support blockers, you can just use the right click function on your mouse and then it will apply this color right here, which indicates that we are applying the support blockers. So in my case, since this is going to be the back of the head, I don't want supports onto this area. And same with this one. Let's go ahead and also make the tool bigger. And from there, to preview our support painting, let's click on the slice plate option. And basically, we can then see that it successfully followed the support paintings that we have applied. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.